East African Mindset Special News Report. Good evening and welcome to East African Mindset, where we bring you the truth behind today's most important stories, shaping our region and the world. Tonight we bring you historic breaking news from the Horn of Africa. Israel has officially become the first country in the world to recognize Somaliland as an independent state, marking a major diplomatic breakthrough after more than 3 decades of international isolation. The announcement was made on December 26, 2025, following a joint declaration between Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu and Somaliland President Abdirahman Mohamed Abdullahi, widely known as ARO. The agreement establishes full diplomatic relations between the two sides, including the exchange of ambassadors and the opening of embassies. Prime Minister Netanyahu described the decision as being in the spirit of the Abraham Accords, saying it promotes regional stability, security, and cooperation. President ARO welcomed the move as a historic moment, calling it the beginning of a strategic partnership that serves peace, development, and shared interests. This recognition marks a turning point for Somaliland, which declared independence from Somalia in 1991 after the collapse of the central government and years of devastating civil war. While much of Somalia descended into prolonged instability, Somaliland gradually built functioning institutions, held democratic elections, maintained security, and established its own currency and government system. Despite these achievements, Somaliland remained unrecognized for more than 30 years until now. The announcement has sparked strong reactions from the Somalia's federal government rejected the move, reaffirming that Somaliland remains where strategic access and security. Several American political figures have previously voiced support for Somaliland's recognition. What happens next remains uncertain. This moment could open the door for new diplomatic alliances or deepen divisions across the Horn of Africa. One thing, however, is clear. History is being written. At East African Mindset, we believe this moment deserves careful attention, honest dialogue, and thoughtful reflection. This is not just a political decision. It is a moment that will shape the future of millions of people. Stay informed, stay connected, and stay grounded in truth. This is East African Mindset. Like, share, subscribe.